welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Gabrielle. For today's video, we're going to do something you've never before seen on YouTube. We're gonna make slime. The only thing that would make this video any more original is if it were a makeup tutorial. Don't get me wrong though, I watch those videos as much as the next person. But my current issue of being fresh out of new ideas aside, I wanted to take a minute to explain the title of this video. No, of course, slime itself doesn't make you cry. All that means is that I originally did this as a Meisner activity. What is Meisner, you might ask? Well, short answer, it's an acting technique. So the slime didn't make me cry, I made me cry when I did it. More accurately, when I did it right. Generally, if I'm going to do an activity for Meisner, I like to pick ones that have dual purpose. Whether it's something I've been wanting to learn, something I've wanted to revisit, or something I've wanted to film and put on YouTube. If you want to hear more about that, feel free to ask me about it in the description bar below. Maybe I'll do a video on it. If you're curious, there's actually another video on my YouTube channel that originally came from a Meisner activity, and that was my Captain America shield tutorial. I just didn't say so at the time. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and since I never know when my next upload will be, for now I'll just say, until next time.
You might have seen one out in Minnesota, or maybe down by the sea in Sarasota. They were made back in Worcester, Mass, of aluminum baker-like glass. Like a locomotive, they were streamlined. And the blueprints were drawn up from a dream of mine. Yeah. Slap 'em up, put 'em on a train, out of Michigan up to Maine. Give me $5 down to Georgia, Carolina, up to 20 by the Pigwig, near the country out of Waynesboro. When it's getting late and rainy out in New York City, hang a Louis off a theory and you go and grab yourself a cheeseburger at a little Jim diner. Off 6-9er, diner, my shiny, shiny love. And the night you're all I'm thinking of. Diner, my shiny, shiny love. The cruiser pulls in where the troopers always stop.